An AI agent that runs for weeks builds up a history far too long to reread, and the one detail a later question depends on is buried somewhere inside it. The two usual fixes both fail. Replay the whole transcript and it overruns the context window. Keep a rolling summary and it averages away the exact detail. The allergy, the deadline, you needed. AtomMem changes the unit of memory. A fact executor reads the mess and writes out atomic facts. Single, self-contained, true statements like clean index cards on a detective's board. Those cards aren't a flat pile. They're filed by event and by time, then an associative graph strings related facts together. A query doesn't scan everything. It follows the string from one card to its neighbors and pulls back a small, connected cluster. Now the agent reasons over about 100 tokens of exactly relevant facts, instead of 200,000 tokens of transcript, or a 2,000 token summary that already deleted the answer. It reports state-of-the-art results on LoCoMo, the long-term memory benchmark.